Hey everyone, welcome to part 7 for May Patreon STL 2024. We'll be looking at D&D, Warhammer proxies, and figures. The ones we'll be looking at with the description down below for you guys to check them out. If you do enjoy it, please like, share, and subscribe. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. And now let's begin. So we got PG Gasta 3D figures for May. I think we have Gwen and Boa Hancock release. We have Gwen and Gwenpool. And Lady Demetrius as well for May, I believe. Don't know. And we got a couple more that's coming up for June polling as well. Alright, Jan H will be getting, uh, what's their name? Anissa and Chitara from Thundercats and Invincible for this month. And for Blue Sky Minis, these are like, you're probably going to get late. So April release preview. That was, I think, the boss. But yeah, if you want orcs for your Warhammer needs, this would be the ones you want to try to get. Go check them out. This is Zehan Studio. We got, I think, Khalifa, and we got, that's March, April. We don't know what May is going to be unless they released it, what they're going to do for May. But it doesn't look like it, so keep an eye out for it. They do female figures. Maya Studio, I think we'll have to see which one they have for. This is April, so we have Andy Demo Zenless Zero Zone Zero. Looks like. No, which one won it? So we have Eminence of the Shadow. I got Nicole Demo Zone 00. So we don't really know what's for May. May file's gonna be like. I'm guessing. I guess we'll find out on it. They do figures as well. We got one from Nicole Demora, Zoneless 00. So that's gonna be coming up. Immortal God miniatures that are Warhammer proxies. They do Hairs of the Dark Foundry. So you got more chaos figures. Looks like it. You have like a sledgehammer made out of spines and stuff. STL miniatures that are good stuff for D&D. They do a lot of stuff. I mean a lot. So never done update. I don't think I ever got that, but that's fine. May download. Trying to see what's for May. I think this is never done. May release. So we have Riot of I think townsfolk, peasants rioting. And we have, looks like Shadow Guards as well. And we have, looks like it's a weird looking creature. I don't know what you call that. But yeah, those two looks like it. So Temple Guardian and a Riot set. And this one is the something from it. I think it's from Fantasy Prop too. Arcane Minis. This is more for like Spelljammers and stuff. If you're interested in that. Willa Barcog, Scale of the Greed Part 2. This is Descent Story. Try and find May stuff. Awakening for April. Really? Really? Not gonna show me what you're gonna have for this month? That's bullshit. Well, anyhow, they do a lot of Warhammer. Spelljammer stuff. You get a ship if you pay more, and stuff like that. Check them out. Probably want to go to Facebook or YouTube and see if they have a release for that as well. STL Project. They do a lot of figures for the month. One is Mayo. I don't know what this one is from in particularly for it. The next one is a Necromancer from Diablo. Another one is the Vampire Queen as well. if you're interested in that. Nation Rodeo 3D Studio. They're doing Sailor Moon figure for it. I think it was Sailor Saturn. I mean, I think it's like Saturn last one they did. So they need Sailor Moon now. It's a Sailor Saturn. Yeah, this was from last month. For it, Blue Raven. Another weird mini. They do a lot of stuff. That's June release. You can do a lot of proxies for a lot of these things, but you're gonna have to find out for it. I'm trying to find the whole thing for May. It's like armored, like really futuristic armored stuff with swords and mace and two wielded weapons. So you may want to make it into a golem. I don't know. I know there's a lot of like war gaming and skirmish type game that you might be able to use. I don't know for sure what would you like to use it for, but there it is. 3D Realm printing. I think we're getting Kitty first STL for May, Night Life for Patreon. So it's like a Batgirl, I'll say. And that's the first one for it for 3D printing realm. Another one is Nutshell Altair, another figure, female jester. If interested, make another version looking like Harley Quinn. And I think that will be it for that one for May. Ruben, another good figure. This is the May one right here. This is from Nikki. Forgot what this anime is from. We have two figures for it. And yeah. This is Namo from the Apothecary Diary. So a very good figure. And this is Goddess of Victory, Nikki Rappi as well. And they usually have like giant asses, the game. SW3D Patreon. This is for let's just kind of subscriber notice scared the shit out of me. This is for like let's say for Star Wars and stuff. This is April one. They don't really show May towards the end of it. If you want Star Wars figures and so forth, go for it. And they usually have like these movie things and stuff figures for this as well. Namu 3D. Next, I think for May is Yoko Litter for May. And I think they're doing the girl from Avatar, Last Airbender, and Android 16. I don't know which one they're going to be doing, but yeah, check them out. Francis Quiz, they do figures. It's just really weird how he does his thing. And that looks like a Monkey King one. Chitara. So we have Chitara that's coming soon. That's for this coming month or so. It takes about a month or two for his figure to come out. So you may want to read what's coming up. Main model, we have Gogeta, Gojo, and Goldie Rogers figure for main model for it. See what ideal model looks like. So if you're interested in Dragon Ball, Jujutsu Kaisen, or One Piece, there you have it. STL Para. I don't think they have done anything since January. So I'm just going to leave it as is. If you want big boob ones, you probably want to look them up. Fantastic Plants and Rocks. This used to be Print Your Own Monster. Now he does plants and stuff. I don't know, because I like this more than the terrain pieces he comes out. They're cool and stuff. It's just for $4. I don't think that's that bad, but that's just me. This is if you want to build props and stuff for your campaigning game, post some props. I do monthly ones as well. He looks like a heads of hydras, frog, globe with unicorn, and a hippogriff. Not a hippogriff. I forgot the water seahorse called. Little stuff, knickknacks, and everything else that can use your props in your game if you're interested up for it. Let me just try to do that for now. So we have hardcore miniatures for Warhammer proxies. I think they're doing goblins right now, and yeah, they did a lot of orcs and stuff on the other one. So um, let me know if you're interested. Warhammer proxy, just check them out. That's the last month one for it. BioGreed Studio, they do like DC figures. Welcome pack, you get the Dracula Wolverine, Batman Wolverine. I think they're doing something for this month. I think the Spawn. I think Spawn was. I think we're gonna be getting Spawn for this month as well. If you're interested in that, go check them out. SwanNet 3D. They do figures, not figures, terrain pieces. It looks like they haven't done anything so far. Although we're gonna have some for May. It's their big ass terrain pieces, and they're very good looking as well. Dork Factory. They just did their Kickstarter, and I don't think I have nothing for May. I just got the Kickstarter for it. Uh, these guys that will print and paint for my Chaos 3D Fortress. We're just mowing this all down pretty soon. They do terrain pieces. They got houses and stuff. I think there's just one solid print. So you just hollow them out and just put them in the background if you're interested for it. Yeah, look, a Hobbit home. Looks pretty good. The one is just put a little light in there, a little $1 light, and it should work a lot better. Well, anyhow, that'll be it for me. I hope you guys do enjoy it. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.